Hello YouTube! In today's video, we'll be replacing the engine air filter on a Mitsubishi Colt 1.5. Let's get started. First, unclip two metal clips on the right side of the airbox. You can see their location here. Next, grab a flathead screwdriver and loosen the clamp securing the intake pipe to the upper part of the airbox. Once it's loose, gently pull the intake pipe away from the housing. Now, remove the upper part of the airbox. Be careful as you pull out the old filter element. Make sure no debris falls into the exposed intake pipe. In my case, the old filter wasn't too dirty, but it's always a good idea to replace it with a fresh one for optimal performance. Before installing the new filter, take a moment to clean the inside of the filter housing and the edges where the filter seals. Once everything is clean, place the new filter element into the housing. While you are at it, clean the upper part of the airbox as well. Any leftover debris could get sucked into the engine, and we definitely want to avoid that. Reinstallation is straightforward. Reverse the removal steps. Slide the upper part of the airbox back into place like this, and when it's seated properly, secure the two metal clips on the right side. Reattach the intake pipe and tighten the clamp using your flathead screwdriver. Don't over tighten. It's important not to stress the clamp. Finally, do a quick inspection to ensure the intake pipe is securely attached to the airbox and both clips are fastened properly. And that's it, the job is done. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like it and consider subscribing for more DIY automotive content. See you next time, bye!